Fix in 5. Let's decode P0519. Idle control system malfunction, engine idle speed unstable or out of T. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Engine idle speed unstable or fluctuating, rough idling at traffic lights or when stopped, engine may stall unexpectedly at idle, difficulty maintaining consistent RPM when engine is warm. Now the most likely causes. Faulty idle air control, IAC, valve. Carbon buildup on IAC valve seat. Air intake leak causing unmetered air bypass. AQ, PCM malfunction affecting idle control algorithms. Vacuum leak in idle control system. How to fix it. Clean or replace idle air control, IAC, valve. Perform fuel system cleaning to remove injector deposits. Repair identified vacuum leaks. Replace intake gaskets if leaking. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €35 minus 85 doing it yourself, or Euro 155 to 205 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0519? Short trips may be possible with P0519 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0519. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.